Robots that learn like humans. CarbonSix SigmaKit brings imitation learning to the factory floor. CarbonSix has introduced SigmaKit, a new toolkit that brings robot imitation learning directly to the factory floor. Instead of programming robots line by line, workers can simply demonstrate a task and the robot learns by example. This approach cuts out the need for constant adjustments and specialized expertise, making automation more accessible. SigmaKit is designed for non-standard and delicate jobs such as film removal, assembly, machine tending, cable fastening, and hanging operations. It can be applied across multiple industries, including electronics, automotive components, food, and material. The systems combine AI algorithms, precision grippers, adaptive sensors, and simple teaching tools that lets users build training datasheets quickly. A model can often be created in less than a day, allowing the robot to execute complex tasks in real-world conditions. Imitation learning allows the robot to adapt to variable environments, overcoming one of the biggest barriers to factory automation. CarbonSix, founded in 2024, is led by experienced researchers and engineers with backgrounds at MIT, Yale, and KAIST. The company has already received global interest and proof of concept projects are underway. SigmaKit aims to reduce downtime, improve flexibility, and expand automation into areas once thought out of reach for robots. It's not just a lab experiment, but a practical tool ready for today's production lines. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.